everyone is freaking out about AI taking over our jobs. And honestly, they have all right to be. For years, we were told that when the robot comes, that they were going to be taking over jobs like the manual labor, the heavy lifting, the physical stuff. We thought that the creative and people who work office jobs were safe. Well, we were wrong. AI is not wearing a hard hat. It's sitting at our desk and it can do the job of a junior lawyer. It can be a coder, a writer in about 3 seconds. You need to hear the other side of the story because AI isn't a job killer. It is creating a massive wave of brand new high-paying jobs right now. Remember when the internet became mainstream? People had a whole bunch of crazy fear. One of them being that they said that retail store wasn't going to exist anymore. Newspaper was going to be finished. Privacy was going to be gone. And that everything was going to be automated. And that many jobs was just going to disappear. Let me remind you of what actually happened with the mainstream when internet came into our everyday lives. It created jobs like social media managers, app developers, e-commerce entrepreneurs, digital marketers, YouTubers, influencers, online educators, and a wave more. So AI is the same exact thing. So before you go into a panic about reason why AI is going to take our jobs and throwing your laptop out the window, we need to talk about the other side of the story. AI is not a job killer. AI is going to pave a massive waves of brand new jobs, high paying jobs right now. In today's video, we are going to talk about 3 jobs that's going to be gone in 3 years and the new job that's going to be popping up overnight and exactly what you need to do right now so you won't be left behind. Let's get into it. To understand the new jobs, we have to look at what's dying. The rule with AI is actually really simple. If your job feels like a real robot is going to take it over. Let me give you 3 quick examples of what is disappearing right now. First is the copy and paste worker. I'm talking about the basic data entry or low-level customer service. If your entire day is moving numbers from one spreadsheet to another, AI is going to take over that job. If you're answering the same 10 customer service questions, AI is going to take over that job. And the AI can do it 24/7 and it doesn't need to take a coffee break. Second, the average creator. I'm talking about people who write the generic blog post for corporate website or the graphic designer making basic social media template. AI is going to take over that job. Third, the beginner coder. Now, this one really hurt because for years they used to tell people just learn how to code. But now AI can write the code and fix basic code instantly. Now, hearing all of that, it's understandable to think why we're all doomed, right? But here is the things people forget. Every time technology destroys something at the bottom, it creates something amazing at the top, just like the internet. Look at all the wave of stuff that the internet was able to brought in and gave the average person access to. I want you to look at AI the same exact way. The internet, that boom of the internet where we all thought all kind of crazy stuff, look at AI the same exact way. It's opportunity on the table and you do not want to be left behind if you don't start learning how to use these tools. Now, job number 1. They call it a lot of different things. The AI guide. I don't know. It's going to have a lot of different names. Think about all the normal everyday businesses out there. Plumbers, real estate agents, local law firms. They keep hearing about AI on the news, but they have no clue on how to use it. I can go into a company and I will say this. Hey, I can set up a customer chatbot for your website and automate all your emails so you save 20 hours per week. You don't need a programmer to do this anymore. All you need to do is learn how to use these tools. And businesses are paying crazy amount of money for this right now. Job number 2, I'm going to call it the director. That's going to be a job that's going to be created by AI. Let me explain. Because AI can write 1,000 articles or design 100 logos in 1 minute, the value of just making things is dropping. What becomes valuable? Your taste, your judgment. We are seeing a huge demand for people who don't write from scratch anymore. Instead, they act like a director. They tell the AI what to do, they pick the best output, they heavily edit it, and they add the human soul back into it. So the job went from making things to directing the machine. Job number 3, the one-man powerhouse entrepreneur. This is not really a traditional job, but it is the biggest opportunity in the world right now because of AI. 5 years ago, if you wanted to start a serious online business, you needed a writer, a website developer, and a marketing team. Today, one smart person can pay $20 a month subscription to ChatGPT and do the work of an entire agency. So how do you make sure that you end up on the winning side of this? You have to stop fighting it and start teaming up with it. Think of AI of a really fast, really eager intern. If you are a graphic designer, do not hate on the AI image generator. Master them. Use them to come up with 50 drafts like in an hour, and then use your human eyes to make the final product perfect. If you do office work, use AI to write your email, summarize your boring meetings so you can spend your time on things that really matters. AI is not going to take anybody's job, but a human using AI will take your job if you refuse to adapt to it. We are entering a world where the most successful people are the ones who are curious, the ones who aren't afraid to click around, play with new tools, and figure out how to do their job 5 times faster. Don't let the future just happen to you. Be a part of creating it. If you want to learn how to use AI, join my school community where I'm teaching people who are complete beginners how they should be utilizing AI, starting side hustles before they actually need one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.